Ever wondered how old cartoons ended with the screen slowly closing into a circle? You can recreate that classic the end effect right inside CapCut Mobile. Start by opening your project and moving to the very end of your video. Next, add a text layer and type the end. Place it in the center of the screen and customize the font to match your style. Now, add a black screen after your final clip. Tap the transition icon between the video and the black screen. Look for a circle wipe, circle transition, or iris wipe effect and apply it. These transitions create the appearance of the screen shrinking into a circle before disappearing. Adjust the duration to control how quickly the circle closes. For an even more cinematic look, add a fade out animation to the text so the end disappears naturally as the screen closes. Preview the result and make any final adjustments. And that's how to create the classic the end circle effect in CapCut Mobile. It's perfect for comedy videos, cartoons, short films, and nostalgic edits.